magandang umaga, tanghali
Tanghali
at
at
gabi po
gabi.
sa inyong lahat. We're here again sa Kwento at Kape. This is a very special episode for us kasi it is my partner's birthday. Yay!
Yay! Happy birthday to me!
Yes, happy birthday to you!
Ayan. Tadayma pala, ate.
Ayo nga pala, she just came back from her travel.
Actually, sa Pilipinas, which hindi ko inisip na babalik uli ako sa Pilipinas.
Oh,
But then, siyempre kasi di ba dito na po pa yung yung buhay ko. But then, I had fun there. It was a quick travel, but it's worth it.
Yes.
And I had a lot of lessons.
Anyway, magigreet muna ako sa kanya. Happy birthday. At parang napakaganda ng aura niya ngayon. Ng smile and everything. It's like parang ang ganda ng result ng kanyang vacation.
Oo, yeah. Very productive.
Yes,
no?
yes.
Very productive.
Kasi yung face niya.
Talaga ba?
Ay, may kasamang blooming ah.
Blooming, ba't
Happy
blooming?
birthday.
Thank you po.
Ayan, so we have a lot of questions actually na naka-line up for Casey because since this episode would be her special episode, birthday episode, so may mga questions that will be coming up from our director for today. So
Meron tayong director and
yes,
producer.
we have a producer and director for today. So the question will be coming from him. So fire ahead, Direk.
Okay, so the first question is, yes, what's the most significant birthday celebration?
Yung birthday celebration that you celebrated. Sinorkat ko actually. That's my question.
To be honest, wala talaga akong I don't celebrate my birthday.
Oh, really?
I celebrate birthday ng ibang tao.
Oo.
This is the thing about me. Kasi feeling ng mga tao, parang lagi ako nagsa-celebrate. I don't celebrate my own birthday. Siguro the thing about me, if I do, I just want to be alam mo naman ako ate, gusto ko lang mag-isa. Lakad-lakad. Na ako lang talaga mag-isa.
Parang it's your time to contemplate, no? What happened for the
Yes.
past year. No, ano nangyari, gano'n.
Oo. Tapos,
Napaka-simple lang niya eh. Hindi mo nga makita niya yung parang bonggang-bongga, magbe-birthday, ganyan.
but this, Pastor, after my birthday, there are people who come to my place to celebrate my birthday. And my birthday lasts until January.
Oh,
diba?
So, it's papasok pa yung Burr months. By the way, we just wanted to know na pares kaming Virgo kasi kaya ganyan ang closeness din namin ni Casey. Di ba?
Yes.
Virgo. Si Pastora malapit na din.
Yes, November naman.
Yeah.
That's why we all get along with each other.
So, yeah. So, I hope nasagot yung question ko and enlighten yung mga tao na Casey doesn't really indulge into something, yung magarbo, no, when it comes to her own birthday. So, siguro mas celebrate niya yung birthday nga ng ibang tao to give them the happiness that they deserve kaysa sa kanya. Siguro, is there something behind that? That's why you don't celebrate your own birthday? Meron bang behind story dyan?
Maybe because ate, di ba sa Pilipinas, August is like parang typhoon season.
Alright.
Sa Pilipinas. So, ever since, I cannot celebrate my birthday. Kasi nga, umuulan. Kahit na meron kaming man-celebrate yung parents ko, eh, sino naman pupunta kung may baha sa labas ninyo? Rainy days, ganun. Tapos parang nasanay ako. And here sa Japan, every August, we have the ghost month. Which is yung ubon.
Ubon, yeah.
So,
sa
yes.
Japan kasi merong ubon. Okay.
Until, parang sabi ko, parang di ko naman kailangan din ng, ewan ko ate, because sabi ko nga, diba, I'm always shy. I don't really enjoy the limelight.
Oo, yeah.
So, parang pag feeling ko, when the people's attention is on me, parang I don't feel at ease. Parang, uy, kahit na kunyari, birthday ko, ako yung star nung day na yun, ibibigay ko kung kanino yung spotlight.
Aha, okay. Kaya pala
So,
pinipilit niya na sabay
ayoko.
kami.
Yes. Kasi ayoko talaga.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
There's nothing special about me.
Uy, you are special to us, Pastora, diba? You are
Yes.
special to our viewers, definitely.
Actually, yung birthday is one of the very significant sa atin eh. Because it's birthday, it's our natal day. So that's the time that the Lord gave us life. He created us. Kaya very special. That's why every birthday is very special talaga.
But Pastora, with me, siguro I look at myself that there's nothing special about me, but I can do something special to others.
Wow,
Yun lang.
That's the
Kasi,
generosity
uy,
of
Jishin,
Casey. Yeah.
Jishin Montero ako doon.
Yeah.
So, ang
She's
good
very
compassion.
confident pagdating sa gano'n. Yeah, that's
Compassion
nice.
for-
Oo.
For others.
Mm.
That's good.
Yeah. Yan. I hope na you're satisfied with sasagot ni Casey.
Okay na ba
I am.
yun?
I am.
Director.
I am. Direct, I hope you are.
I am satisfied.
Okay. So you can run. Yeah, okay.
Next question. Okay, the next question is, what's the best decision you made in life that you won't regret or proud of?
Wow, malalim
Best
to ah.
decision.
Need mo ba ng massage, partner?
Best decision, siguro, so far, yung kinontinue ko yung pregnancy, to become a mom.
Ah, wow.
To become a mom. Kasi even though, di ba nagkwentuhan na tayo niyan
yeah.
before, na I have to choose between being a mother or my dream.
Yeah.
During that time, parang hindi na ako makakapasok ulit dun sa kasi may limit yung
Oo,
Emirates.
Yeah, actually we talked about that nung unang episode with Pastora, no? Actually Casey opened up about that story. So yan, oo nga.
Diba?
Do you remember? I hope the viewers remember.
Yeah, and with me, kasi nga dahil gusto ko yun, lagi ako yung parang I always sail alone. Gusto ko to travel. Siyempre ate, di ba, alam mo naman yun, when you're alone, hindi mo iisipin yung ibang tao sa paligid mo. You can go anywhere, you can do anything. Na parang as long as you're not doing anything bad sa ibang tao, you're not stepping on them,
Oh,
di ba? Paano wala akong pakialam sa kanila? Huwag niyo akong pakialaman din. Pero totoo yan, ha?
Mind you,
Diba?
she just minding her own business. Oo.
And I'm happy doing that kasi I'm able to explore more. And then when I come back, marami akong stories to tell to and share to people. Para ano lang yan di ba? Pag lumabas ka ng bahay, maraming foods, babalik ka sa bahay mo, ang dami mo ibibigay sa pamilya mo.
Ah, yeah, that's good.
So, yun, being a mom now gives me strength. Siguro yung perception ko bilang babae, nag-iba. Your heart will change. Siguro more on, imbis na dati nagagalit ako, hindi, magpatawad ka na kagad. Tapos, yun, meron kang purpose. And yet, syempre, pag, di ba, when you're a mom, you want to become a good
person.
yes, model sa
A good
to your
example,
child.
tama sabi ni Pastora.
Kasi di ba,
A good
pag
example.
ilimbawang single ka, wala kang iisipin, kahit na magwagamama ka, wala kang pakialam sa kanila Di mo pa
Oo.
naman nararanasan yung mga mapuyat na mapuyat para sa ibang wala ka namang salary. Hindi mo nararanasan na magtrabaho at mainis. 'Di ba? Lahat ng sakit nandoon pag ikaw nanay ka na. So,
The most
nagpabago yun
rewarding
talaga.
no, that's why nati-change yung mga kababaihan once na nagkaanak kasi that's the time actually that we learn how to love unconditionally. Kasi pag sa asawa, we can be so selfish, di ba? When it comes to our husbands, our partners, di ba? Pwede tayong maging selfish, kung ano lang yung gusto natin. But when it comes to our kids, our children, it's a different story, di ba, Pastora, no? Like, yung iba na, yung sabi niya nga, hindi ka nakakatulog, hindi ka matutulog, wala namang sweldo to, magbabantay ka the whole night, kasi that's your children, that's your child, no?
Kaya nga, di ba sabi nila, the most highest paid in the whole world, if you ask somebody, maybe it's being a mother. Because mother has no priceless. Because mother is really a wonderful job, being a mother. So, no resignation. Sabi nga, no resignation. Kahit matanda na, di ba? Andun pa rin yung love and support being a mother. It's like Casey.
At saka mas na-appreciate ko yung nanay ko.
Yeah, that's true. That's one thing. O, pag nagkaanak ka, na-appreciate mo yung parents
Ay,
mo.
ganito pala yun.
Ganito
Nabubwisit
pala
siya sa akin. Ako nabubwisit na ako doon sa bata.
And thinking that there's a long way to go pa, no? Kasi maliit pa yung anak mo, no? Tapos marami pa pala akong kaiinisan, and now I understand how my mom feels about it, about me before, no? Ngayon, nandun na yung comprehension, nandun na yung understanding, no?
Yes, kasi dahil naging nanay na ako, once you're a mom, yung decision making mabilis. Yes or no na lang. Lalo na for example, before, mag-iisip muna ako, is this job suits me? Will I be able to handle this job? Ngayon, hindi.
Oh.
I'll get that kasi kailangan kumain ng anak ko. Ganun na yun.
Oh, yes
As
and
long
yes
as
lang,
ano,
ano? Yes and yes.
As
Yeah.
long as it's, anong tawag
It's
doon?
a decent job.
Decent
Yeah,
job.
because it's a
I'll get
decent
it.
job.
Parang kahit na sabihin mo, di ba ate, sabi ko nga, nagtrabaho ako sa kung ano-ano, sa factory,
jobs,
sa tawag dito, may sakit ako na nagka-hernia ako, nagtatrabaho pa rin ako sa bed making. Kasi kailangan kumain eh.
Yeah, kailangan kumayod. So,
Iba na
talaga,
kasi yung life.
iba na yung priorities.
At saka iba na yung life mo kapag you're being a mom. Na meron ka ng baby, meron ka ng anak. Iba na. Your life changed. Diba? Unlike single ka, everything will change. Kasi iba na yung magiging life mo.
Ako kasi, I got my first daughter when I was in my teenage years pa. So, the maturity was being pushed to me. Parang pinilit ko talaga sa, I need to be matured. I have to grow up. Kasi, wala akong choice, di ba? So, that's really one thing na mahirap pag may anak ka na agad. Pero, it's really rewarding. Iba yung love, no? Iba talagang feel mo rin pag may anak ka, no? It's so fulfilling din, di ba, Pastora?
Oh, yes.
Very fulfilling pag may anak ka talaga.
Na-remind ako ng isang girl na anak din ng kaibigan na maaga nag-asawa. That time na nagkaroon siya ng baby, doon siya nag-mature, step by step. Kaya sometimes, yung getting very in the young age of getting married, sometimes maganda yung result. May advantage at disadvantage.
Yes. Yes. I hope you're
Okay ba,
satisfied sa sagot. Sa sagot naming tatlo.
Di ba?
Siyempre, support kami.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Ang hirap pasukan ng joke nun. Masyadong malalim.
Lalim, ano? Yeah, that's true.
Pero very nice. Ayan, so for our third question, ayan, how do you handle positive and negative thoughts?
Wow, that's a good question.
Mga naysayers ba? Mga gano'n.
I think this question is from Pastor.
Tayo pala yun eh. Tayo pala yun, Pastora. Yeah.
Mga naysayers.
Siguro po kasi, iba-iba talaga tayo ng way of thinking. First and foremost, masyado akong deep thinker, which before, I cannot control myself. Tapos nagagalit ako kagad. Parang kay Ate Lainen before, di ba, nagkwentuhan tayo, but you're able to handle yourself, control everything, ganyan. Kasi hindi lang sa maturity, pero naintindihan mo kasi yung sitwasyon. And once you understand one situation, ano na yan eh, parang goes along na yung yung understand, yung hindi pala, yung peace. Hindi mo maiisip mo sa sarili mo, hindi ko kailangan kontrolin lahat ng bagay sa paligid
That's
ko.
true.
But then, sa akin, hindi talaga. Kasi gusto ko yung parang, ano yung anshin? I want to feel secured. Not sa ibang tao, but for me. Yun. So, ako, I always have this negative thought, which later on, naisip ko, maganda din pala yung all the negative thoughts na mas iniisip ko pa, since I'm a deep thinker. For example, wala namang mangyayaring masama dito. Isipin ko na may mangyayaring masama. And iisipin ko yung
How to prevent or to
how to handle
it.
after.
Okay.
So yun, lately ko lang na-realize yun ate parang yung solution na gagawa ko na kailangan pala ng mga tao. For example, merong, sorry sa word, may galis si galito. Naisip ko na, hindi naman siya magkakagalis eh. Paano kung magkagalis? Yung ganon. So mag-iisip ako ng sabon para sa kanya. tapos magagamit niya.
Okay.
Yung gano'n na parang, pinapabayaan ko na lang yung mga negatives. Tapos, and then, there comes the positive.
Turn to positive.
So, kahit iba-iba nga tayo ng tawag dito ng
Way of thinking.
way of thinking, parang mas okay din kung pag-aralan nyo talaga yung sarili nyo. Kasi lahat naman tayo parang we have purpose.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Yun nga
true.
lang, pag halimbawang yung negative thinking nyo is nakaka-harm na sa ibang tao,
Yeah.
parang check yourself, be aware of it. Na, uy, okay
Actually,
ba to?
oo nga. I read about a book. I read this book, Toxic Positivity. Kasi, we've been hearing everything na be positive. But of course, sometimes we tend to push others na nangihingi ng help sa'yo. Di ba? Parang, maging positive ka lang. Wala na. Kinat mo na yung dapat. She just wanted somebody to talk to. Kinat mo na siya kasi sinabi mo maging positive lang siya, maging di ba? Hindi ka na, you weren't able to listen anymore. Kasi parang, maging positive ka lang, di ba? Yung time, you replace it with something that, a sort of escape, di ba? Kasi parang naging escape na natin yung magbigay ng advice na, be positive. No, hindi ka na nakinig, di ba? You didn't give time to the person anymore. Kasi nga, nandito tayo na sa culture ng be positive. So, kaya ang ganda din ng book na yon. I recommend you to read yung Toxic Positivity.
Yes, actually maraming books na marami kang matututunan talaga. Kaya nga sabi nila, people are not reading anymore right now because of the, diba, sa internet and everything. So wala na silang time for reading. But they don't even know that reading is the most parang nakakagaan.
Yung reading plus, syempre, prayers.
Yes.
Prayers.
Hindi
Pag
matatapos yung day ko. Yeah, that's true, Pastor. Hindi matatapos yung day ko without reading talaga.
Kasi minsan hindi na po talaga natin kaya yung lahat ng negativity. Minsan dumarating sa tao yung
Yes.
ganyan po, di ba? Yung puro negative yung naririnig mo sa araw mo, negative din, yung outcome ng mga ginagawa mo, ganun din. Prayers and, kasi ako po talaga, I meditate. I meditate
that's
talaga.
important. Yeah,
How do I
do
meditate is maybe because through nature, I do sound bath, I do yung mga, siyempre, iba yung sa prayers po talaga kasi mix of, kailangan din naman natin ng pag-aralan talaga yung sarili natin like science. Hindi naman tayo pwedeng meditation na iinom ka lang ng iinom ng pampatulog. Kasi po ako dito sa Japan, totoo naman yan most of the people go into depression. Pag
Yes,
pumunta ka sa hospital, ano gagawin nila sa'yo?
They will
Uminom
just give
ka,
you
bibigyan ka ng
medicine.
pill,
Yeah.
uminom ka ng pampatulog.
Uh-huh.
Will it change something?
Yeah, I
Pag
don't
natulog
think
ka ng
so.
natulog,
Yeah.
tapos syempre, marami nang nasisiraan ng ulo. So you have to help yourself din.
Yeah, that's
Ayun
true.
Yes, actually, medyo malaki
First aid sa Japan now, yung mga depressions, anxiety, napakadami. So, I'm just wondering why they cannot help themselves. Nag-wonder lang ako. Kasi yung depression, dumarating talaga yun sa tao minsan, anxiety. But the thing is, you need to push yourself to defeat those anxiety, depressions. You need to help yourself.
Yes.
Not medicine, automatic medicine, you drink this, parang hirap. But,
Number one siguro, Pastor, sorry detox and prayer.
detox and prayer.
Very much important yung prayer and detox.
Diba po, how do you detox ate, diba? Ikaw, how do you detox kung halimbawang kung katabi mo, puro chismis. Tapos ikaw, puro negative na naririnig mo.
Ganun detox tayo ng fruits, avocado, banana,
And then yung exercise, of
Yes,
course.
that's
Oo.
what it says.
But I heard lang naman, social media is a good thing also when you wanted to really to look for something positive in social media. What I read or found out is anxiety sometimes cause of anxiety is because you're focusing on yourself.
Yes.
When you try to focus on helping others, focus on how you can give, not only money of course, but how you can support, give advice, help them in any small ways that you can, ma-redirect yung anxiety So kaya lang, we're not aware of that. So most of the time, focus tayo sa mga kakulangan natin, sa mga hindi natin kaya. But God doesn't see us that way, di ba? God see us as perfect human being. Talagang kasi we're made that in His creation. So sana lang, no, they can redirect that anxiety into something more productive.
Kaya nga sabi, di ba, the more the focus to yourself, the more you get the heavier. Napakabigat.
Anxious, kasi nga, nakafocus ka sa sarili mo.
So, medyo yung way na dun eh.
Yes. Yeah. Sana ma-redirect tayo.
Ayun po.
And I hope you can also add in your in the comments, no, na if anything that you can share to lessen yung mga anxieties ngayon sa generation na to, no, I hope you can share also with us yung mga inputs nyo and insights. Yan. Yeah. Yay!
Gumagana na si producer namin. Na ganun. So, approve.
Like question yata.
Yung mga natutunan din ako,
Yes! Oh, yes, talaga.
I love even though I'm not a fan of reading, but my wife is a fan.
Yes.
Wow! I have lots of books to lend her.
She influenced me. Not a bit, but a lot. Of her personality. Hey, toxic.
Positivity.
It's a nice book.
Yeah, it's a nice book. Yes.
Ikaw, Adeline, anong favorite book mo?
Actually, that's my gift for you eh. Book reveal! Open it later! Open it later! Yeah. But of course, aside from the Bible, ha?
I mean, like, what's your favorite book?
Ako, actually, my favorite book is Purpose-Driven Life because I can help a lot of people when it comes about the purpose of their life. That's one of my favorite. Kasi nandun na lahat. All package na. I don't know if you heard that. Yeah, I have. So we have, yeah. That's the very, very great, wonderful, beautiful book.
Very powerful. Oo.
Maybe
Yeah.
I can show it to you.
Si, author ng restaurant?
Si Rick Warren.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
And you know everything about what is your purpose. Napakaganda. Napakaganda. All your questions will be answered. Yan. Sorry, next question.
Okay, next question. Are you guys
Oh.
ready?
Yes!
Parang nakakatakot yan.
Natakot siya.
Nakakatakot yan, ah. Sino nagsulat yan?
Natakot.
Yung si Master? Sabi si Mama, sabi yung Master.
How do we see ourselves 5 years from
How do
How do you see yourself 5 years from
I see it vividly.
Though
Next
medyo
question.
mahirap siyang isipin ngayon, pero yung yung parang perspective, imagination. Yung desire ng heart natin.
Nice question.
Okay. Siguro sa akin, if I see myself na sasabihin ko ngayon na nandito na ako sa taas or I'll be someone na sikat. Kung ano man yung line ng work ko ngayon, I'll be lying. Kasi even if di ba sabi ko nga, Adeline, it's not my desire to be known by all. As long as ako, may purpose ako nun. Pero siguro, how I see myself 5 years from now, yun nga, imagination ha,
Yeah.
I'll have my own family. Yung happy pa rin.
Wow.
Kasi,
Yeah.
hindi kasi,
Yeah, yes. Looking
alam mo
forward to
yung,
it. Yeah.
alam mo yung dito sa Japan, you can have everything. You can have a big house,
Yes.
cars, everything. But not lahat ng house is a home. I'll be having my own home.
Yeah.
Siyempre, di ba, with someone na alam kong worthy,
Dependable, of course. Ikaw be dependable. Be
whoever you
dependable.
are,
Yeah. Whoever you are, be dependable. Yeah.
yun, I will be happy kasi syempre, my family would be able to, yung parang gusto ko kasi palakihin yung mga anak ko, kung bibigyan pa ako ng biyaya, gusto ko sila palakihin na katulad ng paano pagpapalaki sa amin.
Yeah.
Kasi kami po, we just love to help people. Kasi hindi naman parang yung parents ko, they can provide us lahat. But then, hindi naman kami pinalaki na parang to be greedy. Ganyan. Kasi lahat mawawala sa atin, tatanda tayo, magkakasakit tayo, but then, as long as you have those good value with you, and you're able to, pass sa ibang tao,
Especially to your children, no? Yung magandang values.
they will love, di ba? They will love your children. For example, my mom, my papa, they are loved by people. Siguro ate, yun din yung another reason bakit yung mga tao, they love me. Kasi they love my parents. Di ba? Naniniwala ka ba doon? Kasi siguro pag nawala yung, sorry sa word, ako din, pag siguro nawala ako sa mundo, I want people na pag-iiwanan ko to love my children too.
Yeah.
Kasi pag kinamumuhian naman ako, kinaiinisan ako, dama yung bata.
Oh yeah, that's
Yung
true
mga,
also.
diba?
Or you'll be living that legacy of being loved and to love.
Yes.
That's nice.
So still, kaya kung tatanungin ako, what's my dream? How do I see myself? In 5
5
years,
years.
I'll be having my own home.
Yeah, you will be praying for that, Pastor.
Ay, naku, ano na yun?
It's already written. Actually, it's already
Answered
written.
prayer
No,
na.
Pastor, yes, it's an answered prayer. Yeah.
Yes.
So we're not really hoping, but it's already there, no? In the perfect timing of the Lord, no? Yeah.
For our next question, it's about, since we know Ate Casey is a very beautiful person,
Yeah. Inside out, yeah, that's true.
as a woman, yeah.
Allah! Allah! Allah!
How you since birthday nyo ngayon, how you stay physically? How you stay physically fit? How you stay beautiful inside and out?
Yeah, ang gandang question,
Parang,
ah.
ang hirap niyan kasi dati akong lalaki.
Nakakakat lang niya, eh.
Question.
Kakapakat lang.
Pero, siguro ate, when I was younger, I really do not look like this. I look older than my age. Tapos, I don't care about what I look when I was younger. So, wala yung mga, ano-anong mga
Yung mga
sa mukha.
kolorete, no?
Wala
Kolorete
yan
daw.
ganyan.
No?
Kasi gusto ko lang manalo sa especially when I was in grade 6. Grade 6, di ba yung mga grade 6 na yun, mga meron ng mga makeup, ganyan. Gusto ko lang manalo sa 10-20. Alam mo yun? Mga Chinese guard.
China
Yes,
yan.
yun yung gusto ko.
Wala.
Di ba?
Di ba pang girls yun?
Diba? Mga ganyan. Tapos, nung high school naman ako, gusto ko lang matalo yung mga, naiinis ako na, hindi totoo to yung mga lalaki na kinakalaban ako sa Counter-Strike. Yun. Kasi,
Talaga.
Oo,
may
ganun na.
Counter-Strike.
Kaganon ako. Tapos, nung after, parang ang bilis na ng buhay sa akin eh. Pagbalik ko na dito sa Japan, parang kung ano lang yung nakita ko na maganda para sa akin, yun lang susuotin ko. Kasi I never,
Experiment.
hindi ate, I never parang dress to impress. Never.
Okay.
Anything it's like
Yes, if I feel comfortable,
Comfortable, yeah.
if I feel comfortable with what I'm wearing, lalabas ako. Ang hirap naman ng, ay, ito yung in, tapos hindi naman bagay sa akin, yung ganyan. So now, kasi syempre, parang
Yung
hindi naman,
uso, no, yung
Diba?
trend, most of the people kasi nakikiuso, di ba? Bago yung spare pants ka din, yung gano'n.
yes, yes.
Oh, I didn't see you nga wearing such kind of trend, no?
hindi, kasi
Kaya nga, oo nga.
parang ano nga eh, ewan ko.
So when did you started being conscious about, it's not about really, I know na you're not trying this to impress others, but of course you wanted to look good and feel good, di ba? For yourself, not for others, definitely. When did it started?
Yeah.
I felt ate, nung nagkaroon ako on my early 30s.
30s?
Ay, then, when 30 na ako, nag-30 na ako.
Okay.
Doon na ako nag-start na, uy, I look different. Parang ganun.
In what
Parang
way?
hindi naman ako maganda, feeling ko.
So you discover something
Oo,
different.
parang tinitingnan ko yung ko sa salamin. Hindi ako kasi siguro lahat tayo, hindi naman ako nagagandahan sa sarili ko. Bakit yung tao, parang pinuri ako ngayon. Tapos nakita ko yung katawan ko, uy, parang mataba ka. Hindi ka maganda talaga. But then ate, dahil nga doon, kasi nga meron tayong tawag dito yung idea na ideal, yung iyong katawan mo.
Looks, physique.
Overall,
Yeah.
sabi ko, ito yung katawan ko. Hindi naman ako pwedeng maging katulad mo, katulad ni Pastora, lalo na talagang pang-model,
Pang-tanya.
tapos talagang kahit na ano pwedeng damit. So sabi ko, sa sarili ko, parang I should, paano ba yun? Accept kung ano yung meron ako. Kasi at the end of the day, ito lang meron ako. Hindi naman to pwedeng mabili, di ba? Yung katawan mo
mapalitan.
lang.
Not unless
Yes, te.
magpapa-retoke ka. Yeah.
So yun, te, parang in-enhance ko na lang siya ng, kung mayari, with my skin, I'm really, tawag dito, anong tawag doon? Meticulosa.
Meticulous, oo.
Balidosa?
I think it's more meticulous, no? Meticulous yung term.
Meticulosa.
Hindi ba balidosa?
Hindi, meticulosa. Parang gano'n. Parang you want to do something for yourself. Balidosa is like also parang you're getting beautiful, balidosa. Parang gano'n yun, di ba? Balidosa, meticulosa, parang magkaiba, no?
And ayun nga, parang pagdating sa how do I take care of myself, siguro, first and foremost, you have to be emotionally and mentally
Yeah, fit.
fit. Kasi everything will follow. Once tayo dito, hindi good, kahit anong kinakain natin, kahit mag-exercise ka dyan, ang pimples mo lalabas at saka tataba ka. Kasi nangyari sa akin. Nung sobrang stress na stress
Breakouts,
ako,
no?
kahit anong inumin ko at laklaking ko talaga na mga gamot pampapayat. Di ba, nauso dati yan yung mga, ano ba
Bangkok
yun?
pills.
Ay, hindi ako gumamit nun.
Hindi, never ako naman gumamit. Yun lang yung familiar ako yung narinig ko. Slimming pills, sleeping pills, no? Slimming pills.
Yes, yes.
Korak?
Oo, yeah,
Meron
parang
dito sa
meron
Japan.
parang, oh.
Trinay ko, te.
Talaga.
Na-hospital ako
So,
sa
marami ka pala. So, actually, nakita ko yan, yung kulay pink. Kapag uminom ka niyan, parang you will remove everything, something like that.
Please ka.
Something like
So, yun muna lagi mo. Tapos, you have to enhance. And parang, paano ba yun? You make yourself better palagi. Kasi
In what way? Paano?
ano pala yun, parang lately ko
What
na
do you
lang
do?
na
get sinabi.
you have to focus with your character.
Okay.
Kasi kahit saan ka pumunta, that thing will parang ano yan parang meron kang personal na
Identity?
yung light within you.
Okay.
Now, if you have a good character, if you have talents na your own talents, lalabas yan. Tsaka you have a good heart, lalabas sa mata.
Yeah,
And
that's
kasi
true.
kahit ako naniniwala ako kasi I work with beauty industry now, kung hindi niyo po alam, kahit na anong ganda mo, kahit na ano yung makeup mo, lumalabas sa mata.
Yeah.
Kahit mumingiti ka pa sa akin, lalabas sa mata yung pag-uugali ng tao. So when you age, parang sabi nga nila, you look younger than your age now. Siguro po kasi, another thing, kasi siguro God, I'm paano ba
Closer
sabihin?
to God.
Yung parang, I'm thankful to God, kasi parang, yung mga nawalang oras sa akin before, parang binigay sa akin ni God ngayon.
Ayun, wow. Yeah.
So yun,
That's good.
yun the way I handle myself now is much more, syempre, kailangan din, kung parang hindi ka tumaba, watch your diet, syempre.
Watch your intake, no?
Yes.
Yung sinabi niya kanina na, di ba, inside and out. So, ang ganda ng sinabi niya kasi parang, you need to be healed inside first. Before you show it to others, because you're healed already, so you can give others inspirations. Because you have the good heart. And that's the character. Because if you're beautiful character inside and out, it will reflect it. It will show up your face and everything. Totoo yung sinabi niya. The healing is within inside. And that's it. You cannot pretend anything. Oh, you're happy, I'm not. No. You cannot pretend because it will show up naturally. Totoo yung sinabi mo.
At totoo
That's
pala
true.
yung ganun, Pastora, kasi parang meron akong nabasa na sabi nila, the highest parang frequency which you can get anything that you manifest in life is when you are authentic. The authenticity.
Authenticity,
Because
yeah. Oo.
lahat ng power mo na parang natural.
Mm-mm.
So when you manifest something, it's granted na.
Mhm.
Kasi authentic ka sa yung mind mo, yung body mo, naka-align lahat doon. Parang ang hirap sabihin sa mga viewers natin how it works, but it really works po talaga.
Kaya. So of course, there's a lot of way on how you can be authentic. No, minsan kasi we tend to pretend who we are because we want to impress others. So it doesn't matter if they're impressed or not. What's important is the authenticity that you're showing them. So if they accept if they accept it, then it's good. If not, it's also good. Wala namang mawawala sa atin eh, di ba? So I guess yun yung struggle minsan of some of the women who's trying to impress others eh. So they don't show the authenticity that they have to show. Yon. So I hope let's not try to please others kasi wala tayong magagawa. Kahit mag-tumbling ka, kung ayaw nila sa'yo, ayaw talaga nila. Diba?
Ay, one more thing, Ate Lai, when you say authentic, hindi naman kailangan lagi kang masaya or lagi kang mabait sa mga tao. You can get mad to people if you want to get mad at people. As long as, di ba po, hindi ko pinaplastic yung tao, na sinabi mo yung, for example, I get mad at with you. Sabihin ko sa'yo na I'm mad with you. But then after that, sasabihin ko, sorry kasi I get mad at you. Kasi ganito yung ginawa mo. Pwede naman yung ganun eh.
So, kasi being angry is an emotion eh, di ba? So lahat tayo, tao, we have that kind of emotion. Hindi naman yan neglected eh, or hindi pwedeng isuppress, di ba? So you can show that you're angry or you're mad, not unless manapa ka, wag naman, we don't encourage that.
Sabi nga, pag hindi ka daw nagagalit, abnormal ka daw. It's not normal, di ba? Because we're human. Emotions, di ba? May mga ganun iba-ibang mga feelings. Di ba? So, it's natural. Yes!
Meron pa bang question tayo dyan? May last two, parang kanina pa last two ah.
Parang one is very special.
Okay. For me? Akala ko sa akin, naging punto sa akin. Okay. Next week pa ako ah.
Siguro wrap up.
Okay.
What's your message na lang for the people surround you, for the people who's watching, and for the people you love, your family, friends? What's your message
My message for them,
right now as you age?
siguro I want everyone to be happy. Kasi when you're happy about yourself, you're not going to look at all. If for example, yun nga, if you're happy about yourself, hindi ka hahanap ng ibang, if the grass is greener in the other side, ganon. Hindi mo natitingnan yung ibang tao, hindi ka na yung parang magkakaroon ng depression, hindi ka na, tawag dito, mauudlot lahat ng pangarap mo kasi you're happy. And when you're happy, mas gusto mong mabuhay.
Yeah, that's true.
Diba? So, yun ang number one. I want everyone to be happy. I want everyone to be well. How well? Siguro, ayoko nang may sakit. Ayoko talaga nang may sakit. Kasi, syempre, aanuhin natin lahat ng pinaghirapan natin kung merong nagkakasakit.
Yes, that's true.
And minsan,
Health is wealth. Yeah.
diba? Pag minsan po kasi sa mga pamilya, pag merong may sakit, nadadama yung buong pamilya.
Yeah, that's true.
Sobrang, kasi ano yun eh, naranasan ko rin. Naranasan ko na rin yun. So, ang hirap ng may ganon. Third, gusto ko everyone to to learn more.
I guess what you're talking about is about financial literacy. No. Diba?
That's
Ayun
good.
Financial
That's
literacy.
good.
Kasi, actually,
We need that.
I saw cases post before, no? She's more on talagang helping people be literate enough to, save money, invest.
Very
I guess that's one thing that's best about her, good about her, is that she really teaches people how to invest, which is a good thing.
Yes, ate. Kasi, ate coach, di ba? Kasi, siguro, growing up, when you have everything and your parents are already here, di ba? Sa Japan, which is maganda ang buhay natin dito, wala na bihira yung magtuturo sa'yo ng ganitong financial na, mag-invest ka dito, magano ka.
that's true,
Hawakan mo
that's
yung pera
true.
mo,
Oo.
nailagay mo yung, alam mo yun?
Oh, yeah.
So, dito rin sa hindi lang naman sa Japan, hindi lang naman ang mga Pilipino. Minsan pag nagtanong kasi tayo kung paano kumita, walang sa'yo, walang sasagot sa'yo. Dadaling ka pa nila minsan sa alam mo
Sa
yun?
scammer ba?
Sa scammer.
Sa scammer ba?
Dadaling ka nila sa ibang way. Parang kasi they don't want you to learn what they're doing, which is okay lang naman din yun. But then, if kung meron lang sanang magtuturo din sa atin na about yung how to handle your money. Kasi wala talaga nagturo din sa akin. And I have to learn in a hard way now. Kailangan mawalan pa ako ng pera.
Oh, yeah,
Bago
that's
ko
true.
hawakan.
Bago ka matuto din. At nag-ano ka talaga, you find ways na matuto, no? Dahil nawalan ka nga, di
At
ba?
dahil nawalan ako, ang hirap kumita ng pera ngayon. Ang hirap ko na rin bitawan pera ngayon.
Kaya nga sabi, di ba, your true experience will be your teacher. And that is the most important thing today, yung financial literacy. Kasi nowadays, people doesn't know how to handle their money. That's very important. That's good, ah. Ganda na.
Actually, madami ka ngayon makikita sa social media about those kinds of no? But of course, be careful also dun sa ipa-follow nyo, pakikinggan nyo. Always listen to your intuition, di ba? Kung is this good for you, no? And of course, talaga, diligently, mag-research talaga about it. And of course, maybe there would be an episode that Casey would also help us when it comes to where she invests, diba? Just to share din naman, to share lang naman, no? It's not about forcing you followers to do what she's doing, but just to give an idea on how you can earn more and invest more into something that's safe, no? At mag-grow yung money mo. We'll get back to you about that. Yeah, magandang topic yan.
Na-excite ako.
Yeah. Diba? Yay!
Very nice.
Next question. Yeah.
Woo! Drum rolling!
Drum roll.
Medyo kinakabahan si Casey. Last question.
Parang
Ano
tatanda
ba
pa
yan?
ako na isa dyan.
Baka love life yan ba? About love life? Hindi.
The last question is, kanina, your message about it. Now, what's your message for yourself?
Oh, wow.
And then after that, siguro i-wrap up natin yung message naman ni Line Pastora for you.
Ayan. Okay.
Walang tissue.
Tissue.
Hindi. So far, parang, ito yung, parang sinasabi nila malayo pa, pero malapit na. Kasi, first and foremost, I wanna be someone, siguro ako na yun ngayon eh. Na-reach ko na rin kasi yun eh. Yung, I wanted to be someone beforehand, nakakailanganin ko when I was a little girl.
Oh, okay.
Kasi most of our parents don't know how to become parents. Kasi wala naman, when you become a parent, walang magtuturo sa inyo. And even yung mga pamilya natin, lolo, lola, ganyan, they don't know talaga kung anong kailangan ng mga bata. So, tayo lang din naman nakakaalam nun eh. Saka minsan hindi mo sasabi sa pamilya mo, sa magulang mo, kung ano yung gusto mo nung bata ka pa.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung kailangan mo, ano yung sakripisyo mo. Kasi kahit ang mga bata may sakripisyo. So, eto na ako ngayon, and I'm capable to hug the small me, the young me, kasi I'm strong enough to do it. Kaya nga po, di ba na sinabi ko sa'yo na I always like to go sa mga ba yan? Pagdating sa ano yung puso ko kasi, sa mga orphanage.
Oo, yeah.
Oh, yes, yes.
Parang hindi ko
She
kaya.
mentioned to me.
Oo, sana we can, one of these days, no, we can really go to those places at parang makapag-serve sa kanila.
Hindi po ako
That's one
orphan
of the
ka.
goals. That's one of our goals
Because
also.
she has the heart
Yeah.
for those people.
Yeah.
Needs ganyan. So, talagang yung compassion nasa kanya. Yung compassion talaga. She wants to.
And then, to my 5 years, 10 years old me, just, I'm proud of you.
Wow, yeah.
Kasi ito ni,
Oh, yeah. That's
siguro naman, Pastora, okay lang naman siguro ginagawa ko sa buhay.
okay lang naman di umiyak,
Okay
di
na
ba?
okay. Kasi,
Yeah.
if you see her, no?
Yeah.
A year before, grabe.
Pwede,
I'm so proud actually of Casey. I'm so proud of her. And I guess Pastora can give messages for your message or
Yes,
Actually, natatouch kasi ako sa kanya kapag yung kanyang story. Kaya ang message ko sa kanya, I want her to be more stronger, no, lahat.
Si Pastora yung...
Kasi, oo, kasi I know her, no, I know her. Yeah, I know her, and then I know yung kanyang situations before, but I really prayed to God na maging strong siya. Kasi you need to be strong in this time, in these generations. The world is very, magulo, no? Napakadaming problem. But for you, I know inside, she is very strong na. Because she can show it to other people. And she can have those strong, yung feeling niya, maibibigay niya sa ibang tao. Ngayon, I'm very sure that she is very well matured, being a woman, being a mother, and being a person, so everybody. So be more stronger and stronger, and have faith in God. You, I love you.
ako pala iiyak. Ay, hindi siya.
Sila yan!
Hindi kasi actually,
Sulat nun.
sino nagtanong to? Bakit hindi kami mag-wish for her? I message for her. Okay, so this is a message for Casey. I'm so grateful to the Lord for giving me Casey. Actually, Casey is one of my manifestation. I had a lot of manifestations in my life, and Casey is one of them. I asked the Lord to have a partner on anything, no? Dito sa paggawa ng mabuti sa mundo. And I manifested Casey. And you know what? Casey was the one who really approached me to do this. So sabi ko, my God, di ba? And she's so generous. She's so generous with her time and her energy. And that's why I'm so grateful and I'm proud for her for being so ano ba yun yung very supportive partner? Kasi you cannot get that to anyone eh. So sabi ko, God really gave me always the best. When you expect nothing but the best, oftentimes really get it. And I got Casey. And I'm so grateful and proud of you. Thank you so much for being my partner.
Ate!
Good, nakakaiyak pala to.
Ba't gano'n na
Yeah, nakakaiyak pala.
Direct yung...
Direct.
Nagulat kami
Meron pa bang ibang question, Direct?
Actually, that's the wrap up.
Yes,
Wow.
okay.
So, napaka
Ayan.
touching.
Ayan, so maybe we can ask prayer na lang for, before we wrap up, prayer from Pastor, no? Ayan. So, kahit na anong prayer, Pastor, for Kate.
Father, thank you so much today. It's a wonderful time and privilege that the woman is the beautiful in the sight of God. Thank you so much today. It's a great, amazing testimony, and a woman world is very positively. Thank you so much this time to Casey's birthday. It's a wonderful day. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
I'm so lucky, ate. Nandito si Pastora, tsaka...
Si Pastor, grabe, ha? Bonus gift ngayon, eh.
So, thank you, Pastora. Thank you, Coach Line. Uy, kasama pala natin ngayon
Si Pastor
Pastor.
Gab. Yeah.
So, dumadami na naman yung mga tao. Time to say goodbye to them again. Till our next, session. At saan ba tayo ngayon?
By the way, sa mga viewers natin who wants to know where we are right now, nandito po kami sa Cafe NoHo. Maganda siya. Dito rin siya sa Korea. And you can visit this cafe. Maganda siya. Very calming. At maganda yung ambience niya. So you should try it.
So come and visit.
Yes, come and visit us. So we'll see you, and I hope you learned something from this podcast and about Casey. Bye for now.